In this example, you explore adding new content to existing PDF documents. You can access this example on our website. Navigate to Examples and select .NET. Then select the course suite examples. Select New Content to Existing PDF to navigate to the example. You can access the source code on GitHub. The file is addnewcontentexample.cs. In this example, first we're going to add new content to a page. Then we're going to add a new page to an existing PDF. We're going to start with an empty class with only the run method created. So let's get started and create a new method named addContent. Add the method to the run method. Add a new merge document instance that loads a pre-existing PDF document, and that's coming from resources. Add the namespace to the class. Get the second page from the merge document instance. Create a new label and add it to the page we just got. Be sure to add the label from the Page Elements package and not the Layout Elements package. Call the Merge Documents Draw method so that it outputs the PDF to a file. Go to programs.cs and add the method to main. And notice we have the other methods all highlighted out so that we don't run them as well. Run the application. Wait for it to run. Open the created PDF. And the second page has the added label. Now let's create a method named addPage. Add the method to the run method. Create a new merge document instance. Create a new page where the page size is letter and the orientation is portrait. Add a label to the page's elements collection. Add the newly created page to the Merge Documents Pages collection. Now, append another PDF to the current merge document. Call the draw method to output the created PDF. Run the application. Wait for it to run. Open the created PDF document. And the newly created page was added to the PDF followed by the appended PDF. Access the Dynamic PDF Course Suite for .NET NuGet package from our website. It's a free download, with the limitation that all unlicensed PDFs will have a watermark until licensed. Learn more about adding new content from our online documentation. Also, refer to Chapter 22, Merging, in the book DynamicPDF Course Suite for .NET by example. You can find this PDF on GitHub. DynamicPDF Course Suite for .NET is easy to use and straightforward, with a free evaluation edition to try, and with flexible and royalty-free licensing options. Why not try DynamicPDF Course Suite today? I'm James, Developer Evangelist at DynamicPDF, reminding you, when you think PDF, think DynamicPDF Course Suite. See you next time.